Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create stages of lead. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here module the lead stage. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to configuration menu and see here this lead stages. Here already created new stage, but if you want to create another, then easily click on this new button. And I want to create lost lead. Define here the team. Display here this options is one stage and fold in lead. If you want to display lead in lost stages, is defined for one, so allow this. And if you want to fold in Kanban, for this allow. Now go to leads, create new. And see here this new is already created and I did say lost, so also display here this lost lead. Now create lead like a plastic product, contact is the deco edit, set priority and add text. Let's say this lead is created for new stage and another lead I want to create for lost. To still product, contact is the SU, priority is very high and tag is the software. Next the and now I want to move for this lost. Go to Kanban view and see here this new for plastic product and lost for steel product. So using this our app you can easily create stages and also define specific lead for stages like a new, lost, etc. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.